Hi guys, I'm Niveta. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the square roots easily. Okay, how to find the square root of a number easily. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the square numbers like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. So what does this square means? 9 square means 9 into 9. You have to consider it like 9 into 9, 8 into 8, 7 into 7. This is the first thing you have to do before finding the square roots. Okay, understood? Yes. The first thing, the first problem what I am going to do is square root of 7056. I am going to find the square root of 7056. First thing what I am going to do is I am going to split this number into two digits like this. So from the last only you have to do, okay, not from this side, you have to do this from this side. So 2 digit, okay. Here see this first 2 digit number, it's like 70 is coming, okay. So 70 lies between 64 and see here, 70 lies between 64 and 81, right? So 64 and 81, which is smallest? 8 square, this is 9 square, okay. So 8 square is the smallest number, therefore you have to put like 8, 8. You have to put like 8, 8. Can you understand? So what I did is, I'm just taking the two digits from the last. I'm just keeping this 70 here. It is between 64 and 81, which is 8 square. 8 square refers to what? 8 into 8. Understood? Yes. I'm going to find out 85 into 85. So why? Because the concept behind this square root is, suppose if you want to find the alphabet R in a dictionary means, what you will do? The dictionary has words from A to Z. First thing you will do is finding the center page, right? So in the center page you may get M. So what then you will do? You will find out you will go with the pages between M and Z. The in between you will get R, right? So what you are doing is, you are finding the middle term and then you are doing other calculations, right? Same I'm going to do here also. First of all, I am going to find 85 into 85. 5 5s are 25, 2. 8 5s are 40, 42. 8 5s are 40, 4. 8 8s are 64, 68. It's like 5, 2, 12, 1. 7225 is coming, okay. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to compare this number 7056 and this 7225, okay. 7056 and this 7225. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to compare 7056 and this middle term 7025. Which is smaller number? This is the smaller number, right? This is 70 and this is 72. This is the smaller number. So what you have to consider is, before 85 only you have to consider, okay. The reason behind is, see this number, this 5 square is equal to 25 is the middle term. Then see 1 here, here also 1, here 4, here also 4. The last digit, compare this last digit. Here 9, here also 9. Here 6, here also you are having 6, right? So what you are going to do is, here you are considering one number which is 7056, which is lesser than this 85 into 85, right? So you have to consider the digit which is lesser than this 5. The last number would be like 6. Therefore what you have to do is put 4. That's it. The value of 7056 is 84. The square root of 7056 is 84. Okay. So if I do second problem, you can easily understand. Second problem is 7744. Okay. So in this problem, the first thing what you have to do is, you have to split it into two digits number like 44, 77 and all. So 77 lies between what? See, 77 lies between 64 and 81, right? So 77 lies between 64 and 81. So you have to consider this 8 square only. 64 is what? 8 square. So put one 8 here, put one 8 here. So you have an idea like the square root of 7744 will comes between 81 to 89, right? 7744 square root will come between 81 to 89. Then what I told, consider this middle term, that is 85 into 85. Okay, so I already found out that 85 into 85, which is 7225. 7225. What I am going to do is, I am going to compare this 7744 and 7225. 7744. See this, which is greater number, this or this? This is the greater number than this. So what you have to do is, you have to consider a number which is greater than 85, like which is greater than 5. Okay, you have a number, you have one number which is greater than this 85 square, which is greater than this 85 square. Then what you have to do is, you have to consider a number which is greater than this 5 square. The end digits, the ending digit is 4, right? So therefore the ending digit 4 you will get is 8 square. So you have to put like 8. So the square root of 7744 is 88. That's it. Okay, I'm going to do the next problem. The next problem is square root of 6724. Okay, here split the term into two terms. Here I am getting 67. Okay, so see here, 67 lies between 64 and 81. 67 lies between 64 and 81. This is 8 square. So put 8, 1 8 here, 1 8 here. Okay, then compare with you have an idea like the square root of this number comes between 81 to 89, right? The square root of this number comes between 81 to 89. Consider the 85 square. So 85 square is what? 7225. And compare this 85 square and this number. 6724 and 7225. This number is smaller than 7225. This number is smaller than 7225. So what you have to consider is, you have to take a number which is smaller than this 5 square. Okay. Here the last number is 4. Therefore you have to consider this 2. So you will get like 2. So 82 is the square root of 6724 is 82. If you want to check, what you can do is 82 into 82 you can do. 2 to solve 4, 8 to solve 16, 8 to solve 16, 1 8 8 solve 64, 65. So if you add those things, no, you will get what? 6724. Okay, you can check by directly taking square of that quotient, which is 82. Can you understand? Okay, we will do 2 more problems. Then what I am going to consider is taking square root of 7056. Okay, so I'm just taking some other numbers like 2916. Okay, take two digits. Here you are considering that 29. Okay, see 29 comes between 5 and 6. It's like 25. It is between 25 and 36. Lies between 25 and 36. This is 5 square. So take the smaller number. It's like 5 will come here. Okay, and then what you have to do is consider the 55 square. 55 into 55. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. And here also 275. If you add those numbers, you will get what? 3025. Okay, then compare this two number, 2916 and 3025. So you are getting you are having a number which is smaller than this number. You are having a number which is smaller than this number. So what you have to consider is a number which should be smaller than 5. A number which should be smaller than 5. It's like the ending digit is 6. Therefore here what is the ending digit? 6 means it's like 4. Therefore it's like 54. The value of the square root of 2916 is 54. Understood? Yes. Then the next thing I am going to do is 676. 676. Square root of 676. The same thing you have to do. just consider the two digits. Okay, 676. First thing is 7 6 and 6. Okay, take 6. 6 lies between what? 6 lies between 4 and 9. So 6 lies between 4 and 9. This is a square of 2 and this is square of 3. Okay, so then what you have to do is take the smaller number. Here 2 will come. You have an idea like the square root of 676 lies between 21 to 29. So what you are going to do is you are going to find the 25 square. 25 into 25 you already know, like 625. Okay, this 625 is smaller than we are considering the 7. We are considering 676, which is greater than this 625. 676 which is greater than this 625. So what you have to do is you have to consider from this numbers which is greater than 5. You have to consider this numbers which is greater than 5. The ending digit is 6, right? So the ending digit is 6 means it will come like 6 square. So you need to put like 26. The square root of 676 is just 26. That's it. Can you understand? So then I'm going to do the last only one problem, 1444. Take the two numbers. Then see, 14 lies between which number? 9 and 16. 14 lies between 9 and 16. This is like 3 square and this is like 4 square. Here 3, I can put it like 3. Okay. Consider 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 5 3s are 15, 1 3 3s are 9, 10. 5 2 1 2. 1 2 2 5 is coming. Okay. 1 2 2 5 is smaller than 1444. My question is 1444. Which is I'm getting 35. When I'm considering 35 into 35, I'm getting a smaller number only, okay, than this. So what I have to do is I have to take the number which is greater than 5 square. Okay, which is greater than 5 square, because my number already I'm having one number, no, which is greater than that 35 into 35. So consider the last digit which is 4, that is 4, which is 8 square. So the answer would be like 38. So when you take 38 into 38, you will get what? 1444. So while you at first you may feel like difficult, this method is quite difficult, but the thing is, if you learn that method and if you work out 5 or 6 problems, means you can easily go through this method. Okay, this method is very easy only. And I'm going to give you 2 problems, and tell me in comment section what would be your answer. Like 1369 first problem, and second problem is root of 7056. So this trick we are using now, it will never forget. You will never forget this trick. That is the main thing. Okay, tell me the answer in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.